Guys, behind me is this custom made. It's not a real keyboard. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So first, pick up everything you have in this game, except for the stuff that are up top, like the butter. Okay, yeah, I got thing. And I would recommend you to do like 8 in a row. So you have 8 in a row, counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll even count out one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 6, 8. 7, 8 at least. But I told you. Wait, that almost smells nice right here. And I E. Bro, they're just missing the S. C. Can't see if we keep trying to get a C. Nope. Nope. Well, it was a Y. Oh, it's okay though. Okay, we're going in into a short, guys. No! An S spawned and you guys saw it. Another S spawned, I'm gonna scream. See, it almost smells. You know what? Oh, thank God it was another F. F, 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 F. I recommend you to do as many rows as you want. I barely even have enough. We're just using 2 more. Wait, 2 more? 6! I got 2 keycaps. And we're also going to be making a keycap soon. Like a keycap race keycap mouse. Okay, bye! That's all for today. And that's how you make. Bye! Bye!